One word, or I guess one phrase that describes Thunder Laser to me would be people-driven.
Integrity.
Empowering.
Relentless.
It's amazing.
Family.
Family.
So my name is Eric. I'm one of the sales representatives here at Thunder Laser USA, and what I do is I help customers pick and choose the right machine for their business.
My name is Rhonda. I'm a sales rep here as well, like Eric. It's our job to help them pick the correct machine to do what it is they're looking to do.
So my name is Julia. I am the social media manager at Thunder Laser USA. I also manage the brand ambassadors.
And I'm Elijah. I'm our videographer here at Thunder Laser. I manage making the long form content as well as some of the short forms.
Okay, I'm Rachel. Do admin and customer service roles.
My name is Grant Burridge. I am the Vice President here at Thunder Laser USA. I've been here for about 5 years now. I'm in charge of operations, so I help run the company. Clay is our owner and he's our visionary, and then I am the implementer. So whatever vision he has for the company, I make sure that it gets done.
My name is Clay Luttrell, and I am the owner and president of Thunder Laser USA.
The thing that I enjoy most about working at Thunder Laser is really the family-oriented team that we have. We're kind of like a well-oiled machine, so it works out very well for us.
I've never had a job before that has been so supportive, so positive. It really does feel like a team, or, honestly, like a family.
Culture is what I really love about Thunder Laser USA, not just within how we treat our other employees, our peers, the people around us, but as well as our customers. Our customers love our culture here at Thunder Laser USA, and they love how we treat them, and honestly, there's never been a better team.
I love the family oriented. Everybody is so close and just a good environment.
I want all of our customers to feel that we want them to be successful just as they do for themselves. So we're here for them from the beginning to the end, not just with support, but also with helping guide you on any questions you have about starting your business. We do Ignite to help inspire and give business ideas for everybody to grow.
The thing I enjoy most about Thunder Laser USA is our community and our people. So we've built a very passionate group of people that love our machines, and I love providing them with a good product and good service and good support and helping them achieve their dreams.
What makes our machines stand out is our build quality. Number one, Clay and I went to the factory in China a few months ago, and we got to see hands-on what the process looks like and how detail-oriented everything is. And that is night and day different from what else you're getting from China. So we've got a step-by-step protocol for everything. Our build quality, our customer service and support put us head and shoulders above everybody else.
I think the thing that makes our machines stand out from the competition is really the precision and accuracy that they bring, as well as the build quality. Having something that's consistent, that can get you repeatable results, is the main thing when a lot of customers are running these businesses. So that would be my favorite thing about our equipment.
I would agree with Eric. I would say it's the best machine on the market for the money. Build quality, our support after the sale, super important, and things we really excel at.
The one thing that stands out about our machines is the build quality. Our customer support is excellent. Our online resources, our training academy, the knowledge base, and all the information, pricing that we have on our website is readily available.
Thunder Laser machines are really built for business, I think. Machines like Glowforge and X-Tool are really meant for the hobbyist market. And if you're a hobbyist, those are probably good machines for you. But if you're trying to build a business, you need a machine that's reliable, repeatable, that's faster, that's more powerful, that has good support. You're gonna need all that stuff when you start a business.
But they're consistently giving you feedback, and sometimes in the ways you don't want. But there has to be that level of feedback to do better, and that's what our customers need in order to grow. And that's what makes Thunder Laser great, is because we don't just settle. We always are consistently going, consistently innovating, consistently after our customers and making sure that they're happy.
If the customer doesn't succeed, we don't succeed. At the end of the day, you're not just selling a customer a machine. So we want to make sure that it's a good experience in the beginning, and that they get what they need, and that they're being supported through the whole process, so that when they do need another machine, it's here that they come back to.
Well, what I want everybody to know is that we genuinely care about our customers, our machines, and our community. We don't just sell machines to make money. We genuinely want people to thrive, succeed, and be able to set up themselves and their family to be successful for the future. So,
one piece of advice I would give to our customers is don't be scared of the machine. You're not going to break the machine. I have so many customers that they're so intimidated by it, but I promise you're not going to break the machine. But the machine's built like a tank, so you don't really have to worry about breaking it. So just get in there and start using it.